We carefully measure and prepare all ingredients to ensure consistent cake quality.
We mix all ingredients to create a smooth and fluffy cake batter.
We check the batter consistency to make sure every cake will bake evenly.
We fill cake molds evenly to give each cake the perfect shape and size.
We bake the cakes at controlled temperatures to achieve a soft and moist texture.
We cool the cakes properly before decoration to maintain structure and freshness.
We decorate the cakes with cream and toppings to enhance taste and appearance.
We cut and shape the cakes to ensure uniform portions.
We pack the cakes carefully to keep them fresh and safe for delivery.
This is how we make cakes, from ingredients to packaging.